Behavioral modification, change bedroom cleaning habit. Introduction. Behavioral modification is a term used to refer to the process or technique that individuals employ to induce, increase, or reduce a particular variety of reactions or behaviors to a stimulus. The aim of applying behavioral modification is either to encourage a particular pleasant characteristic or to discourage the negative behavior in an individual. Therapists employ different approaches and techniques to their clients to achieve the desired outcome by modifying the patient's behavior. After a successful treatment, the individual develops the desired trait and avoids reverting to the previous undesired character. Main text. Personally, the behavior that I need to modify is the frequency at which I clean my bedroom. In the past, the responsibilities of cleaning the house remained monitored by the housewife. However, due to privacy demands, I lock the bedroom whenever I go out, hence my room remains unchecked. Previously, cleaning the bedroom, especially during weekdays, became a burden. Instead of delegating the roles and responsibilities to the housewife, I plan to change and increase the frequency at which I clean the room. In addition to regular cleaning of the room, I can elevate the levels of personal hygiene and sanitation, thereby making the place hospitable. Over the past, whenever a visitor or friend visits me, embarrassment always befalls me since the house is untidy. I usually clean the house once a week, especially after realizing that the dirt in the house is posing a health risk or before receiving a visitor. I always avoid the responsibility of cleaning the room, especially when I am rushing to school or whenever I am hurrying to catch up with friends for a movie session. The plan in this behavioral modification process is to ensure the successful integration of the cleaning behavior of the room before stepping out for the day. I will ensure that by the end of the plan, once I wake up, I clean the house as my first chore before going on with the rest of the day's activities. For the start of the project, I will ensure that I have cleaned the room 4 times a week, i.e., clean every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. The target is to attain a daily morning routine of cleaning the room. Once I successfully perform the task of cleaning the room 4 times a week for 1.5 months, I will turn to the full schedule of cleaning the house daily. In the process of my behavioral modification, shaping can prove to be a vital technique. I will use reinforcement to motivate myself as I work towards achieving the set standards. As a reward, I will challenge a person, either a friend or a family member, to a game of chess. This reinforcement is because chess is my favorite game, and I enjoy playing and gaining new skills. Conclusion. In conclusion, shaping will facilitate the process of behavioral modification. The use of the shaping technique is necessary since integrating a new character within me is not an instant activity. Regular self-motivation whenever I display any character that leads to making the room clean is fundamental. To ensure a successful plan, I will avoid skipping the responsibility when it is time to perform the task or change the reinforcement strategy if the need arises. Within the working schedule, the behavioral modification process will take a maximum of 3 months before attaining the maintenance stage.